Greetings to everyone. Let's walk and talk. Another episode of Healthy Discussions. Morning segment. This morning we're going to talk about gas prices. Now the average gas prices, as you will see, is about $3.88 on average. $3.88 on average. Now normally I would do my walks outside, but unfortunately, inclement weather, so I decided to do it maybe in the yoga studio, right? Decided to do it in the yoga studio. So let me read you guys an article. Gas prices look like they'll get better, but not before getting worse first. And this is by the Insider. The average price for a gallon of gas in the U.S. is $3.88 and climbing. Now, I think it's going to climb even more than that. This is why. Think about the BRIC nations, right? The BRIC nations, what's going on a global economical scale. So you have 22 nations that's already not going to accept the U.S. dollar no longer, right? If that's the case, then the commodities that they do send to the United States will skyrocket because now they're no longer trading in the U.S. currency. So I think gas prices will skyrocket. In California, average gas price is about $7. On the east side, it's $3.88 on average, but I've seen prices go as far as $4.50, $4.99, depending on the county, the state, depending on those sort of things. So I don't think that it's going to end for gas prices, but let's continue. And this information I'm getting from the Insider, so go check them out. Don't look now, but gas prices are soaring again and they may keep rising. The good news is that there appears to be some relief coming. I don't see that as being any type of relief coming. That's just to keep you calm. AAA reported this week that the average prices for a gallon of gas in the U.S. was $3.88. I got to check AAA on that. AAA, I have to check you on that data. Let's cross data examination. Let's see the real numbers. However, drivers in 11 states are paying more. Drivers in 11 states are paying more than $4 a gallon on average. You see? I'm telling you because I'm the witness that I pay way more than that on average. So the average is kind of off. I want to know what equation you guys are using. Is it real data or is it fabricated data? But let's continue. However, drivers in 11 states are paying more than $4 a gallon on average, including parts of California where costs can be above $6. I told you guys. And it's going to climb to $8 to $10 soon. Think about it. With all the global turmoil that's going on, nations are forming alliances against the superpower. Things must change. Put a comment down below if you know what the BRICS is. How you think their economy will affect our economy, since it's both codependent or interdependent. Everything is connected. Everything depends on everything else to work. But let's continue. Of course, after this, side note, I will be hitting the gym right after this because at the end of the day, we still have to brand. I will be hitting the gym right after this at the end of the day. The reason why I'm doing my morning segment, a walk and talk, is to promote good health, getting out, working out, staying in the sunlight, being around people, the antidotes that will solve all these mysterious problems that we suddenly have. But let's continue. The bad news for that's bad for several reasons. Apologize for that. Including the potential for surge in inflations. And we all know that the price is going to keep going up. That's not going to stop. That's why financial education is so important. I've been screaming that since day one. Mohammed El-Iran, the chief economic advisor of Alizan, recently said on X, formerly Twitter that surges gas prices were one of the reasons some worried about an inflation smile, where it fails, levels off for a bit, then starts moving backwards. But what may be top top of mind for many Americans, basically, let's reword that for them. What's on the top of the mind for many Americans in the short term is spending more at the pump, which means they have less money to spend elsewhere. And what the US economy doesn't need right now is Americans tightening their budgets after their summer of fun. Now, we all know that America has been tightening their budgets. Just look around. Yes, it's frivolous spending on maybe a political level, but when you go down to the reality check, people are hoarding money than ever before, because no one knows what tomorrow may bring. So are they really spending money? No, they're not. They're not. They're actually, instead of buying things that they want, it's like a switch. Now they're buying things that they need, right? Due to the state of the economy. So this news article, it has some loopholes in it. But I wanted to show you guys a video too, as well, of what's really going on. Put a comment down below. How you guys feeling today? Put a 9 if you're feeling good. Put a 6 if it's okay, and put a 3 if it isn't so great. And if you put a 3, it's gonna be okay. You know, we spread positivity over negativity over here, and that's just what it is. But let's continue. And this one is brought to you by KLC News. Not KLC, KCAL News. And the reason why I don't edit my mistakes is because I'm doing this in real time, let you know anybody could do it. Get a new hustle, get a new skill. Pick up your camera, hop on YouTube. It's money all over. There's no excuses anymore. Money is all over the scene. Okay, let me get off this Wi-Fi. I'm having a little bit of trouble right here with the Wi-Fi. Let me disconnect from my Wi-Fi from the home and connect to the building's Wi-Fi, right? And we can go about it like that. Let's see if that troubleshooted the problem.
Uncovering problems, finding solutions together.
Yes, it did. That solved the problem. It was a connectivity issue.
Well, hit the brakes and park your cars. Rising gas prices will be...
Hit the brakes and park your car, because rising gas prices is on the way.
Brakes and park cars. Rising gas prices will be driving you mad.
Yeah.
You're not seeing things at the pump. Gas is inching to closer to $6 a gallon. KCAL News reporter.
Oh, yes.
Comstock live in Upland with the story. Nicole?
Yeah, you guys, it's enough to make you cringe anytime you have to fill up. Take a look at this. Out here in Upland, $86, almost $87 for just under 15 gallons of gas. It is even more expensive.
$100 the norm.
You know, these oil companies are saying these increased costs are due to rising costs and lower demand. But many drivers think that oil companies are just charging whatever they want.
I mean, of course they're going to charge whatever they want, because they own the commodity. Think about it. Everything is going up. Gas prices is going to go up too. That's one of my indicators. But it's solutions to this, right? You can invest with the gas company. The oil companies. Learn stocks. There's so many things that you could do to ride along the big whales. You can always get paid. I'm gonna leave a link below to let you guys know some solutions to this problem and what you could do. Or maybe you do business transactions and figure out how to write your gas. When I pay for gas in my business card, and then I write it off at the end of the year. CPA allows me to write it off. Maybe you gotta get into things like those, because it's solutions to every problem, you know, and it's on you Everyone is an adult. It's on you to find those solutions, no excuses. On that note, peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, share this video. Like, share, comment on this video. Give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free content. It's free content. The only thing I ask for you guys to do is to subscribe and spread the word. Give me a like. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down, but explain why you don't like the video so we can improve our platform. On that note, we out. Now, let's walk into the gym. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it.